What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we are getting started on my Dodge Challenger Scatpack that I affectionately call the Green Monster, and we're going to start getting repairs done, things that should have been done on my car. Specifically today, we're getting the tint done on the car, and that is going to involve removing the damaged tint, and they're going to check because the window might have to be replaced still if the scratches are that big, but they're saying they might be able to like put this stuff in, body fill it, so we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, we're gonna be tinting these windows. They're gonna remove this tint back here. We're going 5% back there, and so you ready to help? Yes, sir. All right. We're gonna knock that stuff out, and you can see here there's nothing on the back one, and then the damage on the front. So when it is all done, I'm using one of my old Tahoe floor mats in here. When it is all done, it'll be all nice and clean, and it will look good. So yeah, man, stay tuned. And this is where I'm at. I'm at the tint shop and accessories here in the greater Dallas area. You can hit them up at tintshopdfw.com. So let's look and see. We're gonna wait and see how she turns out. Perfect. So this is their current pricing and whatnot, and you guys can see that here. And like, again, there's their information. And there's the car. Wait for it to go back to the shop and get done. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like. So it is now about to go into the shop.
Catastrophic learning losses. The new information about significant steps backward for students and schools during the COVID-19 crisis. And gymnastics icon Simone Biles gets candid about what happened to her at the Olympics. Plus, Rick has September.
We're still up. Wait a minute. I don't think he knows how to drive a stick. I gave him the wrong key. He couldn't get it. He's like, "Why won't it start?" He ain't got the right key, and they're sweating balls. It's hot as hell in that car right now too. I'm done. All right. Well, he can drive a manual. He got it. He got it. There she goes. Damn car connected to Bluetooth and kicked off the video. I hate that. Whew. Man, that was quick. So major shout out to USAA. I literally just took the receipt and I submitted it. And usually it takes like a day or two, but they are taking a, I guess, very special interest in my case. And as soon as I submit this receipt, like, I got a phone call, and then the other person that called me, somebody else had already issued me a payment for what I just paid to retint my windows. That's why. This is why I love USAA. This is why I've said from the beginning, all of this stuff with the shop and with Collision Works and everything else, I haven't tripped out about that, which we have an update on the Collision Works situation I'm going to publish for you guys in a separate video that I think is positive. Somebody did reach out. We'll talk about that. But yeah, major shout out to USAA for just being like this, man. They were just quick with this today, man. Like, I already got the notification. They've already put the money back in my bank account. Like, you can't beat it. Hear it. I hear the monster just woke up, loud as hell in their shop. Oh, you can hear it. Ooh, they about stalled it. Here they come. I can't wait to see it, man. I'm excited. I'm not playing, man. I am so excited. I am so excited.
Still ahead, you're 5 to know, and the reason the U.S. is wasting vaccine doses while the virus surges across the state and other cities. Weather-wise, why are Oklahomans excited about their weather?
I'm not even mad if they want to take it for a drive.
It's a fish store. I'll explain.
Where's she at? There she is. Wow, look how nasty she looks with them dark ass windows, man. Wow. That thing looks nasty. All right, guys, so look at that, man. Totally different. It's like totally switched up the whole look of the car with this dark ass tint, man. Oh yeah, I'm a fan. I'm all about it. With the visor too. Oh yeah, we're good. We are so good now. So you guys see it on this side too. Exceptionally looking clean, man. Look how dark it is. Like it just sits different now. It just has a whole different profile to it now. Damn. All right, well, I'm hyped, man. I got my receipt and whatnot. I'm excited. Again, if you're in the Dallas area, I highly recommend them. Like, they got me in. I didn't need an appointment. I came here and they knocked me out. I've been here like 45 minutes, man. No bullshit. Tint shop and accessories. They do window film. They even like tint tail lights. They do all that stuff, man. Powder coat wheels. They do the whole nine, man. Go tap in with them. I 100% co-sign it. Like I said, I am enjoying it. Oh, look at this. Look, I like this too. Do not roll down your windows. Not gonna happen. I ain't stupid. Not my first rodeo when it comes to tint. But look, in the interior, this is how she looks inside. Look, this is what she looks like with no seats, by the way. She looks crazy, right? But look at that. Oh, and that visor right there. That's gonna keep so much sun out of my damn face. I'm a fan, man. I am loving this right here. So I still had tint, I guess, on I thought this back window got busted, but maybe not. So they peeled that off, put fresh tint on it for me. Same thing here, and there. So there you go with the visor. So we good to go, man. We good to go. By the way, I did not cheapskate. I went for the more expensive tint, which has a lifetime warranty and all that. Like, not like I'm ever gonna come back if it messes up. I'm just saying I got the right tint. We're good. Well, now I don't know if that's gonna conclude this video or not. Maybe it is, because now I'm on the way to the dealer. Because I got to buy these. I got to buy these doors, these door cards. I got to buy these so I can redo my doors. And we're going to see if I can repair the dash where it was scratched. I think I can. And we're going to get some clips and stuff that the body shop did not put in on my carpet, which is why the carpet doesn't look right. And we're also going to get clips for something that's actually pretty important. When I'm driving, I've made comments about I hear something slapping around in here. Yeah, they didn't, the seat belts weren't bolted back in correctly. So, like, legit, if I got into an accident, the seat belt probably could just tear straight out of there, not work right. And we found this out when somebody that knows more about these cars heard the slapping around, and like, TK, all that slapping around there's your seat belts. And sure enough, when you take this apart and you look at it, there's like two other little things that are supposed to be clipped and bolted, and they're missing. And it's the same thing on this side. Matter of fact, I might even be able to make it make the noise. Hold on. Hold on. When the car's rocking, you'll hear it. It literally just slaps around in there because it's not right. Anywho's, now I got to get some like wipes and stuff. I'm going to try to clean all this stuff up, get all that done. But yeah, we're good. Operation Repair Green Monster is fully into effect. You can see where we're at. We went ahead and tinted the windows. I mean, this was something that the shop was supposed to do, and USAA saw that as well. And shout out to them. They reimbursed me like this, man. Like 15 minutes after I submitted the damn receipt, they paid me. So I mean, that's what's gonna make this repair easy, is that my insurance company is working with me, and like I said, hopefully they're able to get some of that money back from the company that was paid to do this and didn't. So let's wrap this video up, and we'll continue on when I'm going to the dealer now, but you'll see that in another video. With that said, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. How does she look? I think she looks nasty. I think she looks so good with this dark tint, man. It's not even funny. Major shout out to all of y'all with all of the love and the support. I appreciate y'all so much, man. You have no idea, man. All of the love, the great comments, and all of that. And for you guys that are just haters, you know, for the ones that be in there commenting, hating, and being like, you know, haha, whatever, you know, look, there's a reason why you're in your mother's basement, in your dununts, eating Cheerios, bro. And it's why you ride the bus. You couldn't afford this car. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you too. While you're hating and you're dununts, you put a smile on my face. My haters make me so happy because I know when you see me out winning or you see me get my car right and I'm out and about and I'm doing my thing, like I know that just makes you so mad every time you swipe that bus pass. And that is all I need. I don't even have to get paid off of YouTube. Just that alone, that's everything I need. Because I'm petty. I'm super petty. Am I super petty, Richard Petty, Tom Petty, Petty Roosevelt? I don't know. Maybe I'm all those. But with that said, thank you very much for watching. I know we got off track. Hit the thumbs up button if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you like what I do. And, yeah. Time for me to go get the stencils on the back bumper. Makes multiple stops at mom's houses.